Okay, it's looking really, really promising that next week we're going to kick off a parade of storms for us in the mountains. And this is for next, really, Wednesday and Thursday for February the 12th, 13th, 14th. In that window, we're going to start to really get that parade of storms going for us in the mountains. It starts next Tuesday night with our first storm for us in the mountains. And folks, this is what we've been talking about for the last while. It's not necessarily getting one big storm. We need a consistent parade of storms, and there are, and for some time now. And again, I've talked about this in other videos. You can look back on those. That looks like we're starting to enter a more meaningful pattern to get that consistent railroad track of storms that we need to build up that snowpack, and also to kind of lessen the time in between storms. That way we can maintain some of that snowpack. It looks like we're entering one of those patterns starting next week. So a storm system will move in from the south and west that'll lead to some widespread mountain snow. The storm itself not going to be total barn burner. We're talking about a good 24 hours of snow for us Tuesday night through Wednesday night, but it gets the snow train going a little bit with another storm likely on its heels for next Friday. Saturday, this will be the 13th, 14th for Valentine's Day weekend. We got a little storm, and then another one looks likely into the early part of the following week, around February the 20th. In Denver, those impacts looking pretty limited, though we could get some rain, snow next Wednesday, Thursday. Not seeing a signal for a major snow event for us in the Denver area within the next 10 days, but it does look cooler with temperatures closer to average for this time of year. At least some rain, snow possible for us, nothing too significant. And maybe if you're hoping for some Denver snow, that this is the kind of pattern we'd want to see in order to generate at least some snow chances for us here in town. So overall, if you're hoping for real winter, this is the kind of pattern you want to see. This is not a guarantee we're going to get some major snow event, but or we're going to make up all the ground that we've lost with our horrific start to our snow season in the mountains. But this is what we want to see at this point of the winter season. Good news.